we're going to do a calculation using decimal notation. We're going to find negative 102.4 plus 6.1 plus 78. And I'm just going to do these additions in order from left to right as the rules for order of operations tell us to do. So first I'm going to add the first two numbers. I have a negative number plus a positive number. So I need to find the difference in absolute values first of all. The absolute value of negative 102.4 is 102.4, and the absolute value of 6.1 is 6.1. So I'm finding the difference in those two numbers. 4 minus 1 is 3. We place the decimal point, and we need to borrow. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 9 minus 0 is 9. Now we were adding a negative number and a positive number, and the negative number had the larger absolute value, so this sum is going to be negative. We have negative 96.3 plus 78. So now I'm adding a negative number and a positive number again, and again I'll find the difference in their absolute values. The absolute value of negative 96.3 is 96.3, and the absolute value of 78 is 78, and I'm finding the difference. I've just written the decimal point on 78 and added a 0 here, so I have the same number of decimal places in both numbers. 3 minus 0 is 3. The decimal point goes here. I'm going to borrow here. 16 minus 8 is 8, and 8 minus 7 is 1. Remember, I was adding a negative number and a positive number, and the negative number has the larger absolute value, so this sum is going to be a negative number. So the final result for this calculation is negative 18.3.